Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a Peruvian style stuffed potato. And here I have my potatoes and eggs cooking. You will need flour, ground beef, special Peruvian ají or chili, eggs, oregano, onion, tomato, olives, raisins, fresh or dry parsley, vegetable oil, garlic, salt, black pepper and cumin. In a pan add vegetable oil, then the ground beef. Stir a little bit. And now we are gonna be adding salt, cumin and black pepper to taste. And just cook the ground beef. And then just put it aside. In the same pan but clean, add vegetable oil and then onion. Also a little bit of salt, black pepper and cumin. Now it's time to add the garlic and 1 tablespoon of Peruvian ají, tomatoes, and a little bit of water. Stir a little bit, and finally we're gonna add the cooked ground beef. Now we are adding raisins, oregano to taste, salt, parsley, and we will put out of the fire to add the cooked and chopped eggs. And look, this is the result of the filling. And here I have my cooked potatoes, and we're gonna make them puree with a fork. And now I'm adding salt, black pepper to taste, and 1 raw egg on top. And with clean hands, we will knead the dough. And guys, here I have everything ready. The frying pan with oil to fry the potatoes, the filling, the potato dough, beaten eggs, flour, and olives. With clean hands, we will start to assemble the stuffed potatoes. Just follow the same steps as me. If you like it, you can put a little bit of flour in your hands before touching the potato dough, so that you don't stick the dough in your hands. And when you have ready the stuffed potato, we will put it in the flour. And we'll remove the excess. Then we put the potato in the beaten eggs, all sides. And we will take it to fry. And just we have to repeat the process until we're finished. In total, we had 6 stuffed potatoes. And please don't forget to brown all the potato stuffed on the oil over medium heat. And this is the final result, guys. So easy and delicious. If you see, I put raw onion salad on the top. This is a famous onion salad in my country, Peru. Guys, I hope you liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video with your friends and family. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has her own videos all Saturdays here on my channel. Stay tuned. And she's my co-worker every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.